Okay, let me explain this a little bit. This is an unorthodox method to shrink. I mean, as far as you're concerned, as far as I'm concerned, it's perfectly natural. What we want to be able to do is make ruffles in the metal. We want to hold the part up against the machine at a 45-degree angle, and we can work in like this, and then work the metal in behind here, and then work it in like this, and we can accentuate the ruffle quite a bit and then trap it down. This isn't a big deal. You can use the die to lever the metal up one way, come around behind it, or even come in front of it, lever it up the other way and make a ruffle. You can work in against it either side with the die and sneak up against it, trap it down, and then shrink it into itself. Then what I do is I work back and forth and I chase this back into the part. I chase the shrink back and back and back and back. Now if I don't like it, I can actually shrink down on the inside of the metal. I can take this crown and actually shrink it down with these dies as well. They're really pretty interesting. Now you want to think in terms of work hardening. If you've done much metal work, you know that as you work the metal, it tends to get harder and harder and harder. But I think you'll be surprised at what happens with these dies. Now I'll show you again, working this down. I'll pull up some more and I'll hold it so that the camera can get a visual on these things and you can see the process pretty clearly. I'll turn the metal around this way sometimes and work it in from the back side so you can see chasing the shrink into the part. And then you take a look right there and there's your ruffle all worked down. Now I'll chase this one here as well. Now if you look, we've taken this down at a pretty steep angle and there's literally no marks on the surface. So I'll come in behind here and chase this down.